Hi everyone, Hamid here, Mystic Slot Queen. I saw this game. It was chirping at me. So, Green Robin. That's the major, that's the minor. I've never seen this game before. Cool thing is, minimum bet is 50 cents. So, let's plug in 100. Gonna try. I already got 50 cents in there. So, let's give it a go. I'm gonna get rid of this 50. Oh, I just made 16 cents. So what's... Okay, so bet is... That's $2. Oh. So I just won 48 cents, $2.50. Okay, so this is fairly easy. All right, $2.50 is the max you could go. 40 cents. It's 50 line bet. I'm not very good at understanding these games, but I made kings and wild. Nothing there. Ooh, bonus. Let's get some. I won. I think I won $2. 180. I got kings. Got aces. Got queens. Oh, that's a good one. Hi, bucks. Oh, that's a good line hit. 1440. Nice. I'm back up at $89. Let's do a couple of 40 cents. I got some aces. 80 cents. I got queens. 40 cents. Alright. I'm not a big fan of this game. But I'll play it out. I got the Robin. Like, I don't know if these are wild. I think those are wild. Okay, aces. Okay, that's a bigger hit. 80 cents. Let's do some rapid. Oh, what's this? $0.40, 40 cents, 420. What just happened? $0.50, $2. Oh! Oh my god. That's a good one. It's 5 of a kind. $20. All right, let's do a backup spin. And then let's do one for 50 cents. All right, I'm getting out of here with 72 bucks. I'm gonna go try something else. I'll be back. All right, guys, Lucky Twist. There you go, there you go. That's the progressives. I don't need to explain that to you guys. All right, this looks like a fun game. I gotta build that up. The vault. All right, so let's do this. I'm gonna do 250. What just happened? All right, start. Ooh. Okay. Let's go down to 150. Oh. I just got 15 cents. Oh. Oh. Okay. Okay. I'm doing a couple of rapid. Ah. No. Oh man. Yay! 420. Okay. Puts me back up at 41. Oh, that door just shook. Oh, dang. 210. Okay. Why does it keep doing that? I'm going back up. 250. Oh. Holy moly. Oh my god. Sorry, they're putting up Christmas lights, so you're gonna hear that beepy noise. It's teasing me. Oh my god. I hate you right now. I hate this guy right now. Please. Only got a few more spins left. One more spin. That's it. Alright, guys. Cashing out of a Lucky Twist.